Welcome to our factory tour. Today we will see how plastic chairs are made in a modern factory. Plastic chairs are used in homes, schools, offices, gardens, weddings, and many other places. They are light, strong, affordable, and easy to move. But have you ever wondered how these chairs are made? Let's begin our journey inside the factory. The process starts with raw materials. The main material used is plastic granules. These small plastic pellets are usually made from polypropylene. Large bags of plastic granules arrive at the factory by truck. Workers unload the bags carefully using forklifts. Each batch is checked for quality before production. Before production begins, the plastic granules are tested. Lab technicians check strength, melting point, color quality, purity. Only high-quality material is approved for chair production. Plastic chairs come in many colors. To make colored chairs, a color master batch is mixed with plastic granules. The master batch contains strong pigments. Workers measure the correct amount of color to ensure uniform shade. The plastic granules and color are poured into a large mixing machine. The machine rotates and mixes everything evenly. This ensures the final chair has the same color throughout. After mixing, the material moves to the hopper. Now we move to the heart of the factory, the injection molding machine. This large machine shapes the plastic into a chair. Factories often use machines from companies like Haitian International Engel Arberg. These machines are powerful and fully automated. The mixed plastic granules enter the machine. Inside the barrel, heaters melt the plastic at high temperature. The temperature can reach 200 to 250 degrees Celsius. The plastic becomes thick liquid. The mold is a heavy steel tool shaped like a chair. The mold has two halves. Before production starts, the mold is cleaned. It is polished. Cooling channels are checked. The mold is fixed inside the injection molding machine. Now the melted plastic is injected into the mold. The machine pushes the hot plastic into every corner of the mold under high pressure. This step takes only a few seconds. The mold is completely filled. After injection, the plastic must cool down. Cold water flows through channels inside the mold. Cooling makes the plastic solid and strong. This step is very important for shape accuracy. Once cooling is complete, the mold slowly opens. The newly formed plastic chair is now visible. Robotic arms or workers remove the chair carefully. Sometimes small extra plastic edges remain. Workers trim excess material using cutting tools. This process ensures smooth finishing. The extra plastic is not wasted. Scrap pieces are collected and crushed. They are reused in future production. This reduces waste and saves money. Every chair must be strong and safe. The factory performs weight tests. Heavy weights are placed on the chair to check durability. Chairs must pass safety standards before packaging. Machines apply pressure on seat backrest legs. This ensures the chair can handle daily use. Weak chairs are rejected. Some chairs receive additional finishing. Workers polish surfaces if needed. Some designs include texture patterns. Now the company logo is added. Some companies like Nilkamal, IKEA, print their brand name on chairs. Logos are printed or engraved. Inspectors check color consistency, shape accuracy, surface smoothness, stability.
Points are solid, finish
Only
is smooth,
perfect chairs
approved.
move forward. Plastic chairs are designed for stacking. Workers stack chairs neatly. This saves space during storage and transport. Chairs are wrapped in plastic covers. Some are packed in bundles. Labels with product details are attached. Finished chairs are stored in the warehouse. Inventory is managed using computer systems. Orders are prepared for shipment. Forklifts move stacks of chairs into trucks. The chairs are secured properly. Now they are ready for market distribution. Modern factories use robotic arms. Automation increases. Speed, accuracy, safety, production can run 24 hours a day. Many factories recycle plastic waste. Some use eco-friendly materials. Energy-efficient machines reduce electricity usage. Factories aim to reduce pollution. Now you have seen the complete journey of a plastic chair, from small plastic granules to a finished, strong, and colorful chair. The process is fast, efficient, and highly automated. Next time you sit on a plastic chair, you will know how it was made. Thank you for watching.